White chocolate chip macadamia nut muffin tops are rustic, moist, and tender cakes studded with sweet and creamy white chocolate. The best macadamia nut flavor comes from fresh macadamia nuts, so to make a pint or 2 cups of macadamia nut milk, soak 60 grams or a half cup of macadamia nuts overnight in the refrigerator. The next day, rinse the nuts and blend with 375 grams fresh water and a pitted medjool date, then strain through a nut milk bag. Store it in the refrigerator. Macadamia nut milk will be at its best for 3 or 4 days. To make 6 white chocolate chip macadamia nut muffin tops, start by preparing your pan with butter and a dusting of flour, and scale the dry and wet ingredients separately. For the dry, mix 115 grams flour, 80 grams sugar, 25 grams brown sugar, 2 grams baking powder, and a gram of salt, leaving a little well in the center for the wet ingredients. Then mix 100 grams macadamia nut milk, 25 grams macadamia nut oil, 5 grams vanilla extract with 2 eggs, and pour into the well. Next, mix to combine using the muffin method, which is to fold the dry into the wet ingredients until just combined, about 20 strokes, being careful not to overmix. Then refrigerate the batter for up to 2 days or portion into the prepared pan. Then divide 60 grams of white chocolate chips equally between them and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Serve the white chocolate chip macadamia nut muffin tops the same day they are baked with a dusting of vanilla icing sugar.